Welcome to Historical World. In this video we are going to explore some of the amazing facts related to Grand Canyon. The first Europeans to reach the Grand Canyon were Spanish explorers in the 1540s. President Benjamin Harrison first protected the Grand Canyon in 1893 as a forest reserve, and it became an official United States National Park in 1919. The Grand Canyon is bigger than the state of Rhode Island. The Grand Canyon has an elevation spanning from around 2,000 feet to over 8,000 feet, allowing it to experience a variety of weather conditions. Tucked within the Grand Canyon are an estimated 1,000 caves, and of those, 335 have been recorded. The Grand Canyon is one of the most visited national parks in the United States. The Grand Canyon was carved over some 6 million years. The most dangerous animal in the park is the rock squirrel. You can get an aerial view of the Grand Canyon without ever leaving the ground. The Grand Canyon offers one of the most visible examples of a worldwide geological phenomenon known as the Great Unconformity. We hope that you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.